Do you think your world is normal? Think again. Today, we're diving into 10 facts that are so wild, they sound completely made up. But trust me, every single one is shockingly true. Get ready to have your mind blown. First up, let's talk space. You've seen the movies where a helmet comes off and it's instant disaster, right? Well, it's not quite like that. A human can actually survive in the vacuum of space for about 15 seconds without a suit. The real danger isn't exploding, but the lack of oxygen. After those 15 seconds, you'd pass out. It's a terrifying thought, but scientifically fascinating. Next, a fact that's a bit closer to home, literally, in your own bed. Did you know you're actually taller when you're lying down? It's true. Throughout the day, gravity compresses the cartilage in your spine, making you slightly shorter. When you lie down to sleep, your spine decompresses and you regain that lost height. So, you really do wake up taller every morning. Prepare for a cosmic perspective shift. Which do you think there's more of? Stars in our galaxy or trees on our planet? If you guessed stars, you'd be wrong. Scientists estimate there are about 100 to 400 billion stars in the Milky Way. But on Earth, there are over 3 trillion trees. That's trillions with a T. Our planet is far greener and more full of life than we often imagine. Now, one for the cat lovers. Have you ever tried to share your dessert with your feline friend, only for them to turn their nose up at it? There's a reason for that. Cats can't taste sweetness. A genetic mutation means they lack the taste receptors for sweet flavors. So, while they might be curious about your ice cream, they're likely more interested in the fat content, not the sugar. Here's a fact that will make you feel like a brand new person. Your body is in a constant state of renewal. In fact, it replaces almost all of its cells every 7 to 10 years. Your skin cells are replaced every few weeks, while your bone cells take about 10 years to fully regenerate. So, the you that exists today is physically different from the you a decade ago. You're literally not the same person you used to be. Let's dive into the ocean's ancient history. Dinosaurs are old, right? Well, sharks are way older. Sharks have been swimming in our oceans for at least 400 million years. That means they existed long before the dinosaurs, survived the mass extinction that wiped them out, and are still thriving today. They are true survivors of our planet's history. This next one might make you look at your hands differently. Wiggle your fingers. See that movement? You might think it's muscles in your fingers doing the work, but it's not. Your fingers don't have any muscles at all. The muscles that control your fingers are located in your palm and forearm. They are connected to your finger bones by tendons, which act like long puppet strings. Think you have a lot of teeth? You've got nothing on a snail. These tiny, slow-moving creatures have a staggering number of teeth. Depending on the species, a single snail can have up to 14,000 teeth. They aren't like our teeth, though. They're arranged in rows on a tongue-like structure called a radula, which they use to scrape up food. Imagine having to brush all of those. From tiny snails to giant planets. Our next fact is out of this world. On Jupiter and Saturn, it literally rains diamonds. The intense pressure and high temperatures in their atmospheres can crush carbon particles, turning them into solid diamonds. These diamond bergs then rain down through the gas giant's layers. So, the most extravagant weather in the solar system isn't on Earth. Finally, a fact about how you're seeing me right now. Your eyes are amazing optical instruments, but they have a quirk. They actually see the world upside down. The lenses in your eyes flip the image onto your retina. It's your brain that does the incredible job of instantly flipping the image right side up so you can perceive the world correctly. Your brain is essentially a real-time video editor, and you don't even notice it's happening. And there you have it, 10 facts that prove our universe is a weird and wonderful place. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey into the bizarre, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-bending content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.